What if you come back to your house and realize that somebody has used your laptop or your desktop without informing you, and you want to find out which website this person visited while using your laptop or your desktop? Or maybe you're using your friend's laptop, and this your friend, anytime he's using his laptop, he doesn't like anybody being around him, and you want to find out which website does this guy always visit whenever he's using his laptop. Or maybe you visited a particular website which you did not save. Maybe somebody told you about a particular website and you did not write it anywhere and you did not save it anywhere. You visited it 3 or 4 days ago on your laptop or on your desktop. All of a sudden, you forget the name of the website or the address of the website that you visited 4 days ago. But now you want to go to that particular website. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can revisit the previous web page that you visited on your laptop, on your desktop, in any browser. I mean, any browser, whether it's Chrome, whether it's Safari, whether it's Brave, whether it's any browser at all. Okay? Now, let's go over to my system. Let me show you guys. Let me use this for an example. Let me open a new browser. And I just restarted my system. And here is Firefox. Now, as you guys can see, no page is opened on this browser. Okay? Now, if you want to find out the previous website that you visited on this browser, all you need to do is hold Command, Shift, or Control Shift and tap T. As you guys can see, these pages has now just opened. And let me click on Control Shift T again so that you guys can see that it will keep opening pages that I've visited. Control Shift T. So as you can see, and let's try this on another browser. Let's go to this browser and Control Shift T. 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 You can see this is just opening different pages that I've visited on this browser. So it's quite very easy. This one is showing me restore. I don't want to restore. Okay. Now come here and Control Shift T. 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 You can see this is just opening the previous website that I just visited on this laptop. So Control Shift T or Command Shift T will open and will keep opening the previous website that you visited on your laptop. It will keep going on and on and on and on. Even 3, 4 days ago, 5 days ago, just like that, it will keep opening it. So if you want to get to the previous website you visited on your laptop or your desktop, or someone visited on his or her desktop or laptop, use Control Shift T. And once you are tapping the T, once you hold the Control Shift and be tapping T, it will be bringing out the previous website, the person. It will just be opening it up. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. And if you want to be getting such videos or such information on this channel, make sure you're subscribed to this channel and make sure you have the notification button so that you'll be the first to know once I upload a new video. I will see you guys in my next video. You guys should stay creative and remain blessed.